From the Severe Weather Center, meteorologist Jessica Blum.
Welcome back, everyone. All smiles just because of how great the June weather has been as of late. Sunday coming into the early portions of this week. The next big change, though, that we're watching out for is those temperatures peaking tomorrow in around 90 degrees. So we're expecting high temperatures in around 84 degrees for us in Lincoln today. Much of eastern Nebraska, kind of seasonal, but you'll see that warm air working its way into western Nebraska already today with highs in the low to middle 90s. We'll get close to 95 in Ogallala and Scotts Bluff, and that warm air will work its way east into our area by the time we get into the middle of this week, and it will come with a lot more wind as well. So enjoy the conditions that we have out here in around the noon and lunch hour. Just some high clouds to be seen from our Buffalo Roofing Skyview camera as temperatures are comfortably sitting around the lower to middle 70s. This is my perfect kind of temperature, but we know it's going to get warmer than here because we haven't seen the peak heating hours of the day just yet. Winds are under 10 miles per hour, but you also notice the dew point is below 50 degrees. We'll take any June days we can get like that. Temperatures right now across the state are in the 70s, now around 82 in Ogallala, 81 in Scotts Bluff. Some of those locations that are expected to get warmer by this afternoon. But here's the dew point temperatures across the state. Some are closing in on 50 degrees for a dew point, but we'll take that. We'll take anything lower than 60 degrees at this time of the year, let alone the 40s for a lot of reporting locations across Nebraska. Winds are anywhere from about 5 to 15 miles per hour, a little stronger in the Panhandle, where they do have another day of red flag warnings in place for some more extended fire danger, but the rest of the state faring pretty well with no higher wind gusts to report other than Ainsworth, Sydney, and Alliance around 20 to 25 miles per hour. As you look at satellite radar, all the cloud cover that's streaming in from the north is higher level clouds, other than what is a little bit of a cloud deck crossing through portions of Cherry County and north central Nebraska. A lot of us are going to see a lot of sunshine today and promote that warming statewide. As we look at skycast throughout the afternoon and the evening, we should stay mostly sunny to partly cloudy through a good portion of your Tuesday. And I think we'll stay dry through much of this week, too. Even heading throughout Wednesday, you'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms, but they are passing to our east. So really not going to see much activity here in the state for not only the next 24 hours, but the next 48 to potentially the end of the work week. Until we get to this weekend, then we're expecting a pretty wet period to develop from Saturday into Sunday. You'll look at eastern Nebraska with a high potential of rainfall amounts adding up to more than an inch, inch and a half to maybe 2 inches as you look at some of those purples, and especially out to the east even more toward portions of Missouri and Iowa. But as that comes with the chance for showers and thunderstorms at this time of the year, that's also going to come with a risk for severe weather. Right now, much of the state of Nebraska has highlighted this day 5 outlook for Saturday, June 20th. This extends into northern Kansas. We'll be watching for all severe weather modes by then. We'll have a lot more details to come as we get closer to this weekend. Your Schaefer's Lincoln forecast by the afternoon today, lower 80s. That's below average actually for this time of the year. So a really fine June day. Right around 84 degrees by 6 o'clock. Very comfortable knowing the winds are light, but they are going to pick up. Really ramp up in the overnight hours into early Wednesday and then throughout Wednesday afternoon. 77 degrees by 9 o'clock. We'll get your high temperatures for Wednesday that are closer to 90 degrees in Lincoln. Southern Nebraska could see some low to almost middle 90s. Falls City around 94 degrees. But as you look at that wind forecast again overnight into early tomorrow, I think we could see some wind gusts as high as 35, 40 miles per hour. Maybe a little dip in those winds as they're shifting to be out of the northwest as the backside of the low pressure system comes through. And then we'll see some more wind gusts around 40 to 45 miles per hour through much of the afternoon and evening. Future wind gusts tomorrow afternoon, especially for areas of eastern and northern Nebraska. Count on those wind gusts peaking around 40 to maybe even 50 miles per hour at times. In northeast Nebraska, wind advisory in effect from noon till 9 o'clock. Even earlier in the day than that, though, portions of southeast Nebraska, not Lincoln, but to our south and east, a wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. for when gusts could be peaking around 50 miles per hour. But tomorrow is the hottest day of this week. Then we're knocked back down to about 80 degrees and still looking fairly seasonal in this forecast with temperatures in the lower 80s throughout much of the end of this week. Juneteenth temperatures will come up a little bit more, but then some more rain really throughout Father's Day weekend. So maybe Father's Day weekend plans. I know, Megan, you were trying to get out for Father's Day. Maybe happening toward Friday, I think you said you were.
Yeah, we're going to try and do our fishing that Dad requested on Friday instead of this weekend because of the weather just being unknown right now.
Yes, that'd be a great plan.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Next on 10